My name is Sheila Azimian. I'm the captain at Moxie London Stratford Hotel. Moxie actually started with Belvoir, our company. They designed a hotel chain which is luxury but affordable. The word Moxie stands for Marriott of Generation X and Y. Our structure is lean. We are multitasking in our hotels. We say that it's a bar with bedrooms on top. So if the guests they want to relax, they're more than welcome. They can do whatever they want in this area. They can eat, they can drink. We've recently launched a new menu which is quick and at the same time delicious. So we're using Merrychef, and I think if we didn't use Merrychef it would have been kind of impossible because we are very lean with our structure in the hotel, and using Merrychef makes things very quick, and also the quality of the food comes out really nicely as well. The Merrychef is very easy to use because it's just one oven that you need to concentrate on, and you don't need to be looking around you all the time, and very easy to train the staff as well. It literally takes a day to train everybody because everything is already there. All they need to do is just press the buttons and they have the food cooking. We never have any guests saying that, oh, it took so long to get the food ready. It's very efficient, very quick. I'm not a very good cook myself, but it really didn't take that much of a time, and I can tell you that I can cook well with Merrychef.